Hey everyone! Today is a special day because I'm transforming into my favorite character Lucy from Despicable Me. Lucy isn't just stylish in her vibrant turquoise dress, she is also incredibly charismatic. She always finds a way out of any situation, and her optimism is absolutely contagious. I love Lucy for her cheerful spirit and her ability to stay true to herself no matter what. Plus, we stay-at-home folks could use a little bit of excitement, right? Ready to dive into the world of spy adventures with me? Let's go! I'm not a big fan of regular shopping, so I went to Amazon for the dress. I found these two, they're slightly different shades. I can't decide which one's better, so I'm getting both. Thanks to the magic of video editing, the dresses are here. They are a bit wrinkled, but I can handle that. Lucy also wears a white scarf with red polka dots. I couldn't find one exactly like that, so I got a plain white silk scarf. I'll paint the red dots myself. I'm marking where the dots will go using a regular marker. I lay the scarf on top of the marks. Since silk is transparent, I can see the dots clearly. To make the circles even, I'm using a bottle of a kid's Actinol, regular sponge and fabric paint. First, I traced the circles when I marked the dots. Then I paint them by hand. The last step is to iron the scarf so the paint sets. The scarf and dresses are ready. Now it's time to style my hair like Lucy. I'm dyeing it reddish brown and putting it up in an elegant bun. A bit of makeup and I'm ready to dress up. First, I'm trying on the green dress. Don't forget the thick green framed glasses. Now the turquoise dress. It's shorter, but the color looks spot on like Lucy's. Which one do you like more? The delivery guy just brought me something else. Look, Minion! This Minion stretches like gum. This is a Lego set with superhero minions. With these guys, I definitely won't be bored. Fun fact, when I was a kid, my nickname was Lucy. It had nothing to do with my real name. In fact, a lot of people didn't even know my actual name. And now, many years later, I've become a Lucy. Hope you found this interesting and see you in the next episode.